Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Across the boundless expanse of human history, there stands one text that shines as an eternal beacon of divine wisdom and timeless direction, the Quran. This sacred scripture transcends being merely a religious document. It embodies a profound journey of faith and a perpetual dialogue between the Creator and humanity. Through its eloquent verses, the Quran intertwines history, prophecy, and profound spiritual insights, beckoning every seeker to uncover its unparalleled significance. From the tranquil sands of ancient Mecca to the intricate landscapes of today's bustling cities, the Quran endures as a source of unmatched guidance. It serves as a mirror to humanity's most profound questions and deepest aspirations, cutting across cultural and temporal boundaries. Let us embark on a journey to unravel the hidden truths of the Quran, a voyage that promises to leave you awestruck, unveiling its transformative power and the timeless truths it holds. A journey begins in the stillness of Arabia. In the stark moonlit landscapes of 7th century Arabia, a remarkable chapter in spiritual history began to unfold. It was in the stillness of the Hira cave, a place of solitude and reflection, that Muhammad, renowned for his honesty, integrity, and contemplative nature, encountered the divine message that would forever alter the course of human spirituality. On that fateful night, the angel Gabriel descended, filling the cave with an awe-inspiring presence. Gabriel delivered a command that would resonate through the ages. Recite, "In the name of your Lord who created." These profound words mark the beginning of a 23-year journey of divine revelation, bridging the heavens and the earth. Initially overwhelmed by the magnitude of his mission, Muhammad stood steadfast, embracing his role as the final prophet with unwavering faith and determination. Through him, Allah communicated guidance, addressing every facet of human existence, from the oneness of Allah to the intricate dimensions of social justice and moral conduct. Each revelation challenged prevailing societal norms while offering enduring principles to establish equity, compassion, and unwavering devotion to the Creator. A message of unity in a fragmented society. The Meccan society at the time of the Quran's revelation was deeply fractured. Tribal divisions, moral inconsistencies, and spiritual voids characterized the community. The Quran's early verses sought to heal these divides, calling people toward the worship of one Allah, advocating justice, and uplifting the marginalized. This revolutionary message, while resonating with many, also provoked resistance from the Meccan elite, who perceived it as a direct threat to their authority and way of life. As the nascent Muslim community sought refuge in Medina, the revelations adapted to address new challenges. They provided guidance on building a harmonious society founded on divine principles, offering directives on governance, coexistence, and social justice. These revelations form the foundation of a balanced and equitable society, emphasizing unity, compassion, and accountability. The preservation of a divine legacy. The Quran's journey from divine revelation to a compiled text is a testament to the meticulous devotion of the early Muslim community. During the Prophet's lifetime, his followers committed the revelations to memory and recorded them on materials like parchment, palm leaves, and bones. This effort was far more than mere record-keeping. It was an expression of profound reverence for the divine message entrusted to them. Following Muhammad's passing, the first caliph, Abu Bakr, recognized the urgent need to compile the Quran into a unified text. Under the guidance of Zayd ibn Thabit, a trusted companion of the Prophet, the verses were meticulously gathered and verified. This monumental effort ensured the Quran's preservation for generations to come. Later, as Islam expanded into new regions, the third caliph, Uthman ibn Affan, initiated the standardization of the Quranic text. He commissioned copies of the compiled Quran to be distributed across the Islamic world, safeguarding its authenticity and ensuring uniformity in recitation. The Quran's oral tradition, preserved through the science of Tawheed, further solidified its authenticity. This precise recitation, passed down through generations, stands as a remarkable testament to the unbroken connection between the Quran and the hearts of its followers. This living tradition reflects not only historical diligence, but also the deep veneration Muslims have for Allah's final revelation. a literary and spiritual masterpiece. The Quran is not merely a collection of divine words. It is a literary masterpiece, blending profound messages with unparalleled linguistic beauty. Comprising 114 chapters, each distinct in length and theme, the Quran's arrangement enhances its spiritual and emotional impact. Its chapters open with the phrase Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Rahim, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, imbuing the text with reverence and humility. The Quran's style, known as Saj, employs a rhythmic and rhyming prose that captivates the listener's heart and mind. Vivid imagery, parables, and allegories enrich its teachings, making them resonate universally across time and cultures. Repetition, a hallmark of its eloquence, reinforces its messages, embedding them deeply in the believer's consciousness. Central themes: the oneness of Allah and human purpose. At the heart of the Quran's message lies the concept of Tawheed, the oneness and absolute uniqueness of Allah. This foundational principle shapes the spiritual framework of Islam, emphasizing that Allah is the sole creator, sustainer, and ultimate judge of all existence. The Quran continuously reminds believers of Allah's infinite mercy, wisdom, and power, inviting them to reflect on the natural world as a testament to His greatness. The Quran's teachings transcend abstract theology and delve into the purpose of human existence. It urges believers to live in harmony with divine principles, fostering a deep sense of accountability and spiritual awareness. This profound connection with the Creator is the anchor that grounds every individual's actions, thoughts, and aspirations. A guide to ethical and moral living beyond its spiritual teachings, the Quran serves as a comprehensive guide to ethical and moral living. Its verses address core values such as justice, equity, compassion, and charity, urging humanity to embody these principles in every aspect of life. For instance, the Quran advocates for fairness in trade, respect for the rights of others, and kindness toward neighbors and strangers alike. It calls upon individuals to be truthful, to honor their commitments, and to uphold the dignity of all people regardless of status or background. The Quran's guidance extends to societal matters, offering timeless directives on governance, social justice, and the equitable distribution of resources. It emphasizes the importance of collective responsibility and the need to care for the vulnerable, including orphans, widows, and the impoverished. Through its principles, the Quran envisions a society where compassion and accountability coexist, creating a harmonious balance between individual and collective well-being. Narratives of past prophets. Lessons for humanity. The Quran's narratives about past prophets and their communities serve as powerful lessons for humanity. It recounts the trials and triumphs of figures like Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, highlighting their unwavering faith, resilience, and dedication to spreading Allah's message. These stories are not mere historical accounts. They are timeless reminders of the rewards of steadfast belief and the consequences of straying from divine guidance. For example, the story of Prophet Joseph showcases themes of patience, forgiveness, and reliance on Allah during times of hardship. Similarly, the account of Moses and Pharaoh underscores the triumph of truth over tyranny and the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. Each narrative is imbued with moral and spiritual insights, providing believers with guidance and inspiration to navigate life's challenges. A dynamic role in daily life. The Quran is not a text confined to theoretical study or ritualistic reverence. It plays a dynamic role in the daily lives of Muslims. Its teachings permeate every facet of existence, shaping decisions, fostering inner peace, and encouraging a life aligned with divine will. Muslims engage with the Quran on a daily basis, reciting its verses during prayers and reflecting on its meanings in moments of solitude. Its words provide solace in times of hardship, clarity in moments of doubt, and motivation in the pursuit of righteousness. The Quran's emphasis on introspection and self-improvement inspires believers to purify their hearts, seek closeness to Allah, and strive for excellence in all endeavors. The Quran also serves as a guiding light in family and community life. It offers guidance on nurturing harmonious relationships, advocating for mutual respect, love, and understanding within households. Its teachings shape social norms, fostering unity and cooperation within diverse communities. Promoting interfaith dialogue and unity, one of the Quran's remarkable features is its acknowledgement of humanity's shared spiritual heritage. It recognizes and honors the prophets of previous revelations, such as Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, affirming the continuity of divine guidance. This acknowledgement serves as a bridge between Islam and other faiths, emphasizing shared principles and values. The Quran encourages Muslims to engage in meaningful interfaith dialogue, seeking common ground and fostering mutual understanding. It calls for respect and cooperation among diverse religious traditions, promoting peace and harmony in a world often marked by division. This inclusive outlook underscores the Quran's universal message, reminding humanity of its potential for unity and collective spiritual growth. Addressing critiques and misunderstandings. Despite its profound impact, the Quran has faced challenges and critiques over the centuries, both from within and outside the Muslim community. These critiques often stem from misunderstandings or isolated readings of its verses. Addressing such concerns requires a nuanced approach that considers the historical and cultural context of the revelations. For instance, verses addressing gender roles, social dynamics, or legal matters must be understood within the framework of 7th century Arabia while being applied to contemporary realities. Scholars play a crucial role in interpreting these verses, ensuring that the Quran's teachings remain relevant and meaningful in modern contexts. Another challenge lies in the Quran's linguistic depth. Revealed in classical Arabic, its profound meanings can be difficult to fully capture in translation. Efforts to produce accurate and accessible translations are vital to making the Quran's wisdom available to a global audience while preserving its original essence. A source of inspiration in modern times. In today's rapidly changing world, the Quran continues to inspire individuals and communities across the globe. Its teachings resonate with movements advocating for social justice, environmental stewardship, and the protection of human dignity. The Quran's call to defend the oppressed and uphold justice serves as a rallying cry for those striving to create a more equitable and compassionate world. The digital age has further amplified the Quran's reach, enabling people from diverse backgrounds to access its teachings through online platforms, mobile apps, and social media. This technological evolution has opened new avenues for learning, discussion, and sharing, bridging cultural and geographical divides. A living guide for all generations. As we reflect on the rich tapestry of the Quran's teachings, it becomes evident that this sacred text is far more than a historical relic. It is a living guide that speaks to the deepest yearnings of the human heart, offering timeless wisdom and direction. The Quran's verses inspire reflection, challenge complacency, and encourage the pursuit of understanding, compassion, and a meaningful connection with the divine. In every era, the Quran invites humanity to explore its profound depths, urging us to seek enlightenment and strive for a life aligned with Allah's principles. It is a source of hope, clarity, and purpose, a beacon that illuminates the path toward truth and peace.